Did you know a Byzantine emperor came back from exile to skin his enemies alive? In 695, Emperor Justinian II ruled with such cruelty that his own guards turned against him. They sliced off his nose and tongue, then banished him to the Black Sea. For 10 long years, the disfigured emperor plotted his revenge from exile. Justinian made a deal with Bulgarian Khan Tervel, promising gold and territory for an army. In 705, he marched back to Constantinople with Bulgarian warriors. The city fell without a fight. What happened next was pure nightmare. Justinian hunted down every single conspirator. Some he skinned alive in the palace courtyard. Others were burned or beheaded, their heads stuck on pikes around the city walls. Now known as Justinian the Slit-Nosed, he ruled through absolute terror for 6 more years. Nobles lived in constant fear of his revenge, but history repeated itself. In 711, another revolt finally ended his reign of horror. This remains the most shocking comeback story in all of Byzantine history.